Hello students, now we are going to solve questions of exercise number 4.4. But before starting to solve questions, I want to clear you something. Suppose a quadratic equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Clear? And if b square minus 4ac is इक्वल टू 0, ठीक है, इफ इक्वल टू 0. अच्छा छोड़ो, सपोज द रूट्स ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन कैन बी गिवन x इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac होल अपॉन 2a. ये होता है बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac क्या है? डिस्क्रिमिनेंट. इट इज द डिस्क्रिमिनेंट. इफ बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज equal to 0, is equal to 0, that means this part will be equal to 0. In this condition we will have two real roots, but roots are same. So we can write roots are minus b upon 2a and minus b upon 2a. समझ आ रहा है? If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, that means this part is equal to 0. So we will have minus b upon 2a and this part will be repeating. Okay, that means x के दो वैल्यू आएंगे जो कि सेम होंगे, जो रियल भी होंगे. Okay, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, यहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ेगा? No real roots. इस कंडीशन में कोई रूट्स नहीं निकलेंगे और हम उसको सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे. ओके, बट इफ बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज ग्रेटर देन 0, इस कंडीशन में रूट्स, हाउ वी फाइंड द रूट्स? वी विल फाइंड द रूट्स बाय दिस फॉर्मूला. रूट्स विल बी फाइंड बाय दिस फॉर्मूला एंड रूट्स विल बी रियल एंड डिस्टिंक्ट. ओके, तो ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. नाउ वी विल प्रोसीड टू द question number 1, part 1. In first part we have given the question 2x square minus 3x plus 5, okay, is equal to 0. First of all we have to compare this given equation with the quadratic equation of general equation of the quadratic general form of a quadratic equation. Okay, so here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. Now therefore b square minus 4ac, we will find b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac, that is minus 3 square minus 4 into 2 into 5. What is 9 minus 40, that is minus 31 is equal to minus 31. Here we can write, since b square minus 4ac is less than b square minus 4ac is less than 0, therefore the given quadratic equation has no real roots. Clear? In the second part of the question, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here again we compare with the general equation. We get a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to 4. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to b square, that is minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4 is equal to 48. 4 root 3 whole square, that is 4 4 is 16, 3 is 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. Here since b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, therefore the given equation has two roots which will be real and equal. The two roots are minus b upon 2a and minus b upon 2a. Clear? So minus b upon 2a, that means minus 4 root 3 upon 2 into 3, and again minus 4 root 3 upon 2 into 3, that is 4 root 3 upon 6 and 4 root 3 upon 6, or 2 to the 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 to the 4, 2 3 is 6, that is 2 upon root 3, 2 upon root 3 and 2 upon root 3. How 2 upon root 3? Because root 3 cancel out this 3 and remaining root 3 in the denominator. So 2 upon root 3, 2 upon root 3 will be our roots of this equation. Clear? Similarly, in the third part, 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Again, compare with the general equation we get. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 36 minus 24 is equal to 12. Since b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, therefore the given equation has two distinct real roots. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a, and the roots will be found by this formula. Okay, so minus b, it is minus 6 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac, the value of b square minus 4ac is 12 whole upon 2 into a is 2, 6 plus minus root 12 upon 4, or 6 plus minus 2 root 3 upon 4. We will take 2 common from the numerator. So 2 common, what is remaining? 3 plus minus root 3 upon 4. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. So we have 3 plus minus root 3 upon 2. This implies x is equal to 3 plus root 3 upon 2 and 3 minus root 3 upon 2. These are the answers. Okay, students. So students, pause the video to be noted down.